We're going to do an assembly video today of our Guardian range of round bale feeders. We have three models. There's a cow feeder, we have the calf, and we have the horse feeder as well. The assembly is basically the same for all three models. However, the horse feeder is obviously a lot higher. Justin here, he's going to help me assemble it. You can assemble these with one person. It's just a little bit nicer to have another set of hands to help you, especially as you'll see later when we put the chains through the hay saver bars. It's a little bit tricky the first time you do it. Feels kind of awkward. So all the bolts here are 3/8 bolts, and there will be 1 length of 1/4 inch chain that goes in the hay saver bars, which you'll notice in a bit. And then one of the bolts will have a set of flat washers in it, and that's the one that you bolt your chain together. So all you need, and then it's a good idea to have a lineup bar and then a screwdriver or some kind of a tool that you'll see me use here in a bit. So we'll just start lining up the panels. That's your first thing. And right here we're on a concrete pad. It makes it a lot nicer for lining up your bolts if you assemble them in your shop, or at least a good hard flat surface will really help you out there. So the first thing we'll do is we'll take off our hay saver bars and just lay them to the side on the ground. Proceed to get all three panels roughly in position here. Okay, so we got them roughly in position. Okay, so that's all assembled now. You want to make sure don't tighten anything up till all your bolts are in all three sections, otherwise you're going to fight. So all three panels are tightened up here. Now me and Justin will go around and we'll put in all our hay saver hooks. So me and Justin will start threading the chain through. And like I say, the first time you do this, it's a little bit tricky, but once you get onto it, it's not bad. So there, everything is complete. You'll notice how Justin held a screwdriver or some kind of bar in the second to last link, and that made the chain so that it didn't want to slip out. And then I just threaded it through all the other loops, put the bolt in, and it's done. Your bale feeder's set up and ready to feed hay.